Good afternoon, everyone. It is Saturday.
I'm so excited, and I just can't
hide it. So today we are going to get some food and go to the gym. It's been a while since I posted anything about my workout routine or diet routine on the channel, so today I just want to post a little bit about that. Currently, I've just come off a bulk, and I had my calories around 3,000 calories a day. Wasn't really counting my carbs, but I was counting my protein, keeping that hopefully around 185 to 200 grams a day. But now I'm on keto, and I'm trying to drop my calories down to 2,100 a day. So today it's Saturday, so we're going to do the best we can to keep the calories around 2,100, and we're going to make sure we keep the carbs around 30. But also I want to show my routine on Saturdays, even though you've probably already seen that in other videos. I do the same as Marshall and Hunter. Biceps, back, and shoulders. The squats might not be too impressive because even when I was bulking I wasn't squatting a whole lot of weight, but I'm trying to get that to where it needs to be. But yeah, so we'll just get this oil change out of the way, get some grub, and hit the gym. So in 2021, I'm sure everyone knows how the ketogenic diet works already. But for those that don't know, according to medicalnewstoday.com, the average person should take in no more than 50 grams of carbs a day to achieve ketosis and to stay in ketosis. According to virahealth.com, to stay in ketosis or to achieve ketosis for certain people, you should take in no more than 30 grams of carbs a day. And for the Brothers of Iron, we like to take it to the extreme and make sure we're not taking a shortcut. So while we're on keto, we try and keep the carbs at 30 or below. Also, according to healthline.com, to lose weight, your calories in always need to be less than your calories out. And weight loss always requires being in a calorie deficit. Now, the struggle has always been, how many calories a day should I take in? Not everyone just knows that off the top of their head, but caloriecalculator.net is the calculator that I always use to get an idea of how many calories I should take in a day. All you do is just go online, type in your weight, your height, your age, and then it will give you the amount of calories that you need. Now, obviously, that amount of calories that it gives you isn't like law and gospel. You don't know for sure if that's the exact amount of calories you need or not, but you kind of start with that amount, and then if you notice results, then keep that amount. If you don't notice any results, then drop the calories down a little bit lower. But I think Greg Doucette would be quite proud of me for doing calories in, calories out.
It's Coach Greg here, Jafar.
Calories in, calories out.
You also gotta try and find a nice place that you can get some food at that has little or no carbs in it, and calories that you can manage. So we are at Hooters. I got the naked wings, so we don't have to worry about any carbs. Calories were 720, I believe. I'll put that up for all of y'all. 10 wings, 720 calories. That's not bad. First meal of the day. I did not get any sauce because I don't want to take any chances with carbs on that. Lydia got like 4 chicken strips and a piece of toast. It is also her first meal of the day. Right, babe?
That's right.
Yeah. So, I'm not going to show you any more of this. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and destroy this food and move on with the day. So I'm pretty sure I forgot to mention that I usually have trouble finding calories of what I'm going to eat whenever I go out to eat. It's a lot easier when you're cooking at home and you can just look at the nutrition facts on the back of your food items. But when you go out to eat, it's really hard to find the calories, sometimes the calories and the carbs of what you're trying to eat. You can always buy MyFitnessPal, and I didn't really feel like spending that much money for it, so what I always do is just go on Google and I'll type in, say, how many calories and carbs are in a McDouble from McDonald's, just for example. Obviously, a McDouble is not what you want to eat when you're dieting, but just for example. So then you pull it up on Google and you should be able to find the nutrition facts, like how many calories, how many carbs, protein, all that good stuff. And if you can't find it, then you can either pay for MyFitnessPal, or you can do what I always do and just find a different restaurant or a different item that I can make sure that I track. And this is only while you're dieting, so you shouldn't get too depressed about not being able to have that item just while you're dieting. So this is what works for me. Alright kids, so when your parents tell you not to be dumb and make stupid mistakes, most of the time they're talking about not going out and staying out too late and, you know, doing stuff you shouldn't be doing. But also they could be referring to what I'm doing right now. It is 10:45 at night and I've just now arrived at the gym. Time to get this workout in. But a little fun fact, I have to be at work at 8:30 in the morning, so yeah. So I guess the lesson takeaway from this is don't wait till the last second to go to the gym. But we're gonna get this done anyway. So the first workout I do every Saturday is squats. I've already got through the warm-ups and now I'm working up to a weight that I can do for 5 sets of 5. Done with the squats. Now we're moving on to the second workout, which will be pull-ups. Finished the pull-ups. Now we are moving on to the glorious deadlifts. I normally do 5 to 6 sets of deadlifts, including my warm-up sets. So we usually base that last set off of how I'm feeling and the weight as well. Since we have already done squats, sometimes I can get a halfway decent weight and then other times I can't. So trying to finish off my last 3 sets of 335 for 5. So let's see how it goes. So deadlifts are complete. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all that like I said, I was trying to do my last 3 sets of deadlift for 5 sets of 335. I don't know if it's because I'm training so late or because of the keto or what, but I wasn't able to get that last set in.
No! No!
But anyways, we're moving on. Trying to get done with this workout before 2 o'clock in the morning since I work in the morning. But now we're moving on to cable rows, supersetted with side laterals. Finally, we have made it to the end of the workout. We are going to finish it off with seated military press, supersetted with preacher curls. Just like that, the workout is complete. I was dumb enough to get to the gym at 10:30 at night, but I was smart enough to pick up some food before going to the gym. All right, and so for meal number 2, we are eating at Longhorn Steakhouse. Now let's go home and grub on some Longhorn. So like I said earlier, I got the Longhorn before I went to the gym. I got a 12-ounce ribeye and got 6. I know there are only 5 of them. I had to take one away. But I got 6 white cheddar stuffed mushrooms. For the 6 of them, that would have been too many calories, and so I just took one away. So I'm gonna have the steak and these 5 white cheddar stuffed mushrooms, and I am going to show you how many calories and carbs are in this. And if I'm not mistaken, the whole day I should be at I'm sorry, that's stupid. I should be at 2,150 calories and 12 grams of carbs. Alright everybody, so that was a Saturday on keto and tracking calories. Throughout the week it's normally a little bit more basic. I don't go out to eat throughout the week, so it's a little bit easier to track calories and carbs, but I just wanted to show that it is possible to go out to eat and still do a keto diet and keep your calories in a deficit. And if you want to keep your calories in a deficit, just check out that calorie calculator that I showed you earlier. And for carbs, it's a little bit more simple. Just for some people, keep your carbs below 50, or for the Brothers of Iron, Marshall, Hunter, Aaron and I, we like to keep our carbs below 30 just because it's a fail-proof system that we have. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope the information that was shared today helps out a lot. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay fit.
And do your push-ups.
It's another universe, universe, universe.